Gandhiji's Phoenix settlement in South Africa is in news. Recently, South African government declared Phoenix settlement as National Heritage Site of South Africa. Gandhi established Phoenix settlement in Durban, South Africa in 1904. In fact, the word phoenix itself is a unique word. The word phoenix represents a mythological bird which takes life from its own ashes. That means which takes courage to take birth again from its own ashes. And Gandhi established this to experiment many of his techniques. In fact, most of his innovative ideas like Satya, Ahimsa, Sarvodaya, he has innovated by while sitting in this firm, Phoenix settlement, and slowly he experimented in South Africa and also in India. So in that way, Phoenix settlement is very, very unique. In the year 2012, when the Indian president visited South Africa, she made it a point to visit Durban and Phoenix settlement and to pay homage to Gandhiji. And here, it was here in 1913, Gandhiji wrote, refuse to believe that you are weak and then you will be very strong. Refuse to believe that you are weak, then you will be really strong. So, never believe that you are weak. Refuse to believe that you are weak, then you will be very, very strong. In 1913, Gandhi wrote this while sitting in Phoenix firm. And here in Phoenix settlement, Gandhiji began his experiments like communal living, like non-possession, interfaith harmony, environmental protection and conservation, simplicity, etc. And Gandhiji in South Africa, from here he printed a newspaper called Indian Opinion. Even this is very important. He printed a newspaper called Indian Opinion. And this announcement making Phoenix settlement as a national heritage site of South Africa welcomed by India. This confirms historical and cultural ties between South Africa and India, and it also shows that India, South Africa have a strong solidarity against certain racist tendencies and Ahimsa, Satya and Sarvodaya Margas. Similarly, Indian government is also requesting to bestow the same recognition to Tolstoy firm which was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Coming to Phoenix settlement, Gandhi experimented self-help, dignity of labor, simplicity, non-violence here. When did Gandhiji visited South Africa? This is a basic question which we need to know. As we all know, Gandhi was born in the year 1869. After completing his legal education, he struggled to become a great lawyer in India, but unfortunately he could not. So in the year 1893, he got offer from Dada Abdullah to serve his cousin brother's lawyer in South Africa. Gandhiji accepted and went to South Africa. During his stay in South Africa, Gandhi faced severe humiliation, particularly racial discrimination. There is a very famous incident, a train incident, which everybody has to know, Peter Martinsburg incident, where Gandhiji was asked to go out of first class compartment, and Gandhi faced severe humiliation here, though he purchased a ticket of first class compartment. And faced by this humiliation, Gandhi became an activist and he developed a strategy for Satyagraha. This tool of Satyagraha influenced the civil rights movement of USA and also inspired African National Congress and Nelson Mandela also. And what are the things Gandhi have actually done in South Africa? First, Gandhi fought against racial discrimination. Second, he set up Phoenix settlement or Phoenix firm in South Africa, Durban. Phoenix settlement is the birthplace of Satyagraha. He also set up Tolstoy firm, the place where Satyagraha was molded into a weapon of protest. Tolstoy firm is a place where Satyagraha was molded into a weapon of protest. Finally, Gandhi returned to India in the year 1915 on January 9th. The greatest Pravasi returned to India on January 9th. So we celebrate Pravasa Bharati Divas on January 9th. These are all the important facts of Gandhi in Satyagraha, Gandhi in South Africa. And from this you can expect a question in prelims and mains. And particularly let us salute Mahatma Gandhi for his establishment of Phoenix settlement in South Africa, Durban. Now South Africa recognized it as National Heritage Site.